Hello, guys, and welcome to the AMA. Let's just wait for the guests to join us before we get started. Hi, Samuel. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear, Logan. How are you?
Thank you. All good. No Logan, do.
Fantastic.
We will be starting the AMA in a minute, and okay, now it's time for us to begin the AMA. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Twitter space with FollowX. This is Wise Crypto. We've got a guest with us. I would let him do the introduction himself. So let's start with some basic introduction. Could you please introduce yourself and tell the listeners in here why they should choose FollowX as a trading platform?
Sure, Martin. I'll be very glad to. And first of all, thank you, Martin and Wise Crypto, for hosting us tonight. Thank you, all the listeners, for coming. And let me answer the question now. Why is FollowX the best choice as a trading platform? Well, firstly, FollowX offers a seamless and user-friendly trading experience. We've designed our platform with simplicity in mind. Therefore, we make it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate and execute trades. Secondly, FollowX provides a wide range of trading options. Whether you're interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or commodities, we've got you covered. Our platform offers a diverse selection of assets to trade, allowing you to explore various markets and opportunities. Moreover, FollowX stands for our innovative features. We provide advanced trading tools and real-time data analysis to make you informed about your trading decisions. Additionally, we offer a social trading feature that allows you to follow and learn from successful traders, enabling you to leverage their expertise and enhance your own trading strategies. What's more, security is a top priority for FollowX. We utilize robust security measures to safeguard your personal information and your funds. Our platform implements encryption technology and follows industry's best practices to ensure a secure trading environment. And last but not least, FollowX offers exceptional customer support. Our dedicated support team is available 24/7 to assist you with any inquiries or concerns you may have. We strive to provide prompt and helpful assistance to ensure a smooth trading experience for all your users. In a nutshell, therefore, people should choose FollowX as their trading platform because of its user-friendly interface, diverse trading options, innovating features, strong security measures, and reliable customer support. And we aim to empower traders and provide them with the tools and resources they need to succeed in the dynamic and challenging world of trading. Back to you, Martin.
Yes, thank you for that detailed introduction and for giving us reasons enough why we should follow or trade with FollowX. Now, that was the guest, guys, in case you just joined. Moving on now, let's talk about liquidity pools. They are very vital for all projects. So how does FollowX plan to establish and nurture dynamic liquidity pools that would attract traders and also, provide a seamless trading experience? Tell us.
Thank you for this question because at FollowX we're all about liquidity and we understand the importance of liquidity pools in creating a vibrant trading ecosystem. We have a comprehensive plan to establish and nurture dynamic liquidity pools that not only attracts traders but also ensures a seamless trading experience. Here's how we do it. Partnering with reputable liquidity providers, we collaborate with established liquidity providers in the market, and these partnerships allow us to tap into their deep pools of liquidity, ensuring that traders have ample opportunities to execute trades at competitive prices. By working with trusted providers, we maintain a robust liquidity infrastructure to our platform. Uh, Secondly, we offer incentives and rewards. We believe in rewarding our liquidity providers and traders who participate in the liquidity pools. Therefore, we offer attractive incentives such as reduced fees or exclusive benefits to those who contribute to the liquidity of the platform. And this encourages active participations and ensures a constant flow of liquidity within the pools. We also have advanced liquidity management tools. FollowX provides traders with advanced liquidity management tools to optimize their trading experience, and these tools allow traders to monitor liquidity levels, to track their market depth, and make informed decisions. By empowering traders with these tools, we ensure they have the necessary insight to navigate the liquidity pools effectively. Uh, what's more, we have continuous monitoring and adjustment. We closely monitor the liquidity pools to ensure they remain dynamic and responsive to the market conditions. By regularly evaluating liquidity metrics and adjusting the pools as needed, we maintain a healthy balance between supply and demand. This helps prevent slippage and provides traders with a seamless trading experience. We have even more, and that's community engagement. FollowX believes in fostering an active and engaged trading community, and that's why we're here tonight, actually. We facilitate interactions between traders, liquidity providers, and project teams through various channels such as social media forums and events like this one. This community-driven approach creates a vibrant ecosystem where traders can exchange ideas, share insights, and contribute to the liquidity pools. In summary, FollowX is committed to establishing and nurturing dynamic liquidity pools. Through partnerships with reputable liquidity providers, attractive incentives, advanced tools, continuous monitoring, and community engagement, we create an environment that attracts traders and provide them with a seamless trading experience. Liquidity is extremely crucial because it's the lifeblood, so to say, of any project. And therefore, we prioritize its optimization to ensure the success of not only our platform, but each project on our platform. And of course, the traders. Back to you, Martin.
Cool stuff, I must say, Samuel. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Now, moving on, let's talk about native tokens. Do you have any? If you do, tell us about its utilities.
Absolutely. So yes, we do have our native token. FollowX has its token, and this token actually plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. And yeah, let me tell you more about this, the utilities of this. Number one, governance. Of course, our token holders will have the power to participate in the governance of the FollowX platform. By holding our native token, users can vote on important proposals such as protocol upgrades, fee structures, or new feature implementations. This ensures that the community has a say in shaping the future of FollowX. Secondly, we have fee discounts. Native token holders enjoy exclusive benefits in the form of fee discounts when conducting transactions or utilizing various other services on the FollowX platform. Users who hold our native token can enjoy reduced fees. This incentivizes token ownership and encourages active participation within our ecosystem at the same time. Next, staking and rewards. I know you're interested in that. So FollowX offers staking opportunities for our native token. By staking our token, users can contribute to the security and stability of the network. In return, they earn additional rewards in the form of more tokens. Staking provides a way for users to earn passive income and further engage in the FollowX ecosystem. Also, we have access to premium features for native token holders. So the native token unlocks access to premium features and services on the FollowX platform, which may include exclusive trading tools, advanced analytics, and priority access to new product launches. Token holders also enjoy enhanced functionalities that make sure their trading experience is better and give them a competitive edge. Next, we have ecosystem participation. So holding our native token enables you to participate in various ecosystem initiatives. This could involve participating in token sales, initial liquidity offerings or ILOs, or exclusive airdrops. By owning our token, users have the opportunity to be a part of the exciting projects and gain early access to new tokens and upside opportunities. So now those are a lot of advantages. So overall, let me summarize. Our native token serves as the backbone of the FollowX ecosystem. It empowers token holders with governance rights, fee discounts, staking rewards, access to premium features, and participation in ecosystem initiatives. And that's because we believe that our token utilities provide tangible benefits to our community, and they foster engagement and help build our thriving ecosystem for all users. Martin?
Thank you for that detailed explanation. You are doing a great job, I must say. I love the energy.
Well, thank you.
Yes. So
It's
now,
because I'm
let's.
actually excited about it.
Yeah, yeah. I love the way you itemize all the points and summarize them for us to get the points. It's really cool. Good job.
Thank
Now
you, man.
let's talk further. What do you consider, to be the most critical pain points and challenges currently in the DEX landscape, and how will you guys at FollowX address these issues with its solutions as well? Tell us.
Sure. So there are quite a few actually. So in the current DEX, decentralized exchange landscape, there are indeed many critical pain points and challenges that users face, and I will summarize the main ones. So here's a few of them, along with how FollowX addresses them. Okay, first of all, liquidity fragmentation. One major challenge is the fragmentation of liquidity across different DEXs, and there are many of them. So this makes it difficult for traders to find sufficient liquidity for their trades. FollowX tackles this issue by implementing a unique liquidity aggregation mechanism. We connect with multiple liquidity sources, including other DEXs and other liquidity providers, to consolidate all of this liquidity and provide users with a deep and seamless and favorable trading experience. So that's one. Number two, high slippage and front running. So what is slippage, first of all, for those uninformed? Slippage is when you click the button at a certain price and the trade executes at always a worse price for you. So if you're buying, the price is going to be more expensive. If you're selling, the price is going to be lower. What is front running? Front running is usually an algo. So when you press sell or buy, it will execute the trade before you at a favorable price and sell it to you at a higher price. And that also leads to slippage. So, in summary, slippage and front running can significantly impact your profitability. Over and over in each trade, it adds up to quite a lot. So, therefore, FollowX employs advanced trading algorithms and smart order routing to minimize slippage and protect users from front running. By optimizing trade execution and ensuring fair price discovery, we aim to provide traders with better trading outcomes and reduce the negative impact of these issues. Number three, limited trading tools and analytics. Many DEXs are quite simple and basic. They lack comprehensive trading tools and analytics, and this makes it challenging for traders to make the best informed decisions. And FollowX addresses this by offering a range of advanced trading tools and in-depth market analytics. We provide real-time charts, order books, trading indicators, and historical data, all to empower traders with the information they need to make the best, most efficient, and most intelligent and correct trading decisions possible. Number four, user experience and interface. User experience plays a crucial role in the adoption of any trading platform. Well, one of the main issues for all crypto, not just DEX and not just trading, is simply, but especially those, right? Exchanges and trading platforms is the user experience. It's extremely complex. It has many steps, many requirements, language and vocabulary lingo that is completely unknown to normal people that are not familiar with crypto. So this is one of the main challenges to mass adoption of crypto in general. And how we deal with that is by FollowX. At FollowX, we focus on providing a user-friendly and intuitive interface to enhance the overall trading experience. So, with the risk of being too simplistic, we prioritize simplicity and ease of use to make sure that everyone Both novice and experienced traders can navigate the platform seamlessly without difficulties and misunderstandings, but efficiently at the same time. Number five, uh, and that's the last one, okay? Security and trust. Security, of course, as I mentioned earlier, is a paramount concern in the decentralized exchange and DeFi in general landscape. So FollowX prioritizes the security of user funds and implements robust security measures, including multi-signature wallets, cold storage wallets, smart contract audits by various auditors. All this because we aim to provide users with a secure trading environment and earn their trust through transparency and proactive security practices. So, in summary, by addressing these critical pain points and challenges, FollowX strives to differentiate itself in the DEX landscape. We are committed to delivering a superior trading experience with consolidated liquidity, minimized slippage, comprehensive trading tools, user-friendly interface, and top-notch security. And our goal is to empower traders to provide them with a platform they can trust and rely for their decentralized trading needs. Martin?
Yes, we're here just enjoying you telling us everything. Top-notch security and user-friendly interface. Awesome,
That's
awesome.
right.
I
Yes,
love
yes.
those points. I love those points. Now, lastly, I was gonna ask about security, but you've already covered that part. So I think it's just best to move on to questions now from listeners in here. But before,
Well, actually, you know what, Martin? I do have more to say about security, actually, because I know,
okay,
and,
okay,
and
let's have it. Let's
security,
have it.
security hacking, bugs, or exploits, front running, any kind of basically vulnerabilities have been the major issue of crypto for the last few years. Okay, that together with the user experience. So combined, they are the reason why crypto is not much bigger right now because of all these hacks and collapses we've heard. So I just want to say a few more words about security. Thank you for giving me the opportunity before the user question. So just I'll go quickly about it. So security is top priority in FollowX, and we understand the importance of building trust with our users, and because so many users are correctly quite nervous about projects. So here's some more information about our security. First of all, we have robust infrastructure. We have infrastructure that prioritizes the security of user funds and data. We have industry standard security practices and protocols to protect from unauthorized access from unfriendly counterparties such as hackers, exploiters, and so on. Um, Secondly, we have secure storage. So the user's funds are stored in a secure multi-signature wallet and cold storage solution. So by utilizing this multi-signature technology, we add an extra layer of protection requiring multiple authorized signature for any transaction to take place. And cold storage ensures that the majority of user funds remain offline, therefore they're not susceptible to online threats. Secondly, regular audits. I mentioned that, but in more detail, we conduct regular security audits and assessments of our smart contracts and platform infrastructure and other code and dependencies. These audits are performed by reputable third-party firms with experience and expertise in blockchain security. And by subjecting our ecosystem to external audits, we ensure that any vulnerabilities and weaknesses are identified and promptly addressed. Also, we have not only occasional audits, but proactive real-time monitoring. So our security team continuously monitors the platform for any suspicious activities or potential trades, and we have automated alerts too. So we have implemented an advanced monitoring system with anomaly detection mechanisms to detect and respond to any security incidents promptly. By staying vigilant and proactive, we aim to protect our users' assets and maintain the integrity of our platform. Uh, Also, we have transparent practices. So trust is built in transparency. FollowX believes in being open and transparent about our security practices and measures. We provide regular updates and communicate any security-related information to our users. Additionally, we encourage users' feedback and addressing any security concerns promptly, fostering a sense of trust and accountability. Lastly, community trust and reputation over time. FollowX has earned the trust and reputation within the crypto community. We have a growing user base and positive feedback from our members. Many users have successfully traded on our platform, and their experience contribute to the trust that people have in us, and we cherish it and aim to protect it. So ultimately, trust is earned through consistent and reliable security practices and not given. At FollowX, we strive to provide users with a secure trading environment through robust infrastructure, secure storage, regular audits, and proactive monitoring, as well as transparent practices and positive community reputation. And we want our users to feel very confident and very at ease and trusting that their assets are well protected when using our platform. And thank you. That was my long version for the security. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for that. And now we want to take some questions from the live audience listening to us in here. Let's give it to Not first. Not, please ask your question.
Yeah, hello. Thank you very much, Emperor Martins. So, my first question is concerning the trading of traditional financial products, which I saw like gold and oil. So, I would love you to maybe explain more on that, like how exactly would it work on your platform? And also, I noticed that you have up to 150x leverage, and to me, I feel that is really high because most platforms stop at 100. So why exactly are you guys using 150x leverage?
Sure. Thank you for the great questions, sir. So let me go one by one. Uh, First of all, why about traditional crypto assets, right? So you're talking about stocks and commodities, etc., things that you take ownership. Well, those are actually CFDs. So of course, similarly, if you've traded on a forex platform, right? CFD stands for contract for differences. The actual execution is just in the price difference, right? So the price that you buy versus the price that you sell based on the market price. And as you said, we reduce the slippage and front running that you may experience in other platforms. So for decades and for millions and billions of users around the world, the traditional assets have been traded as CFDs around those platforms. The difference there is that, of course, you have much more challenges to be registered and to trade on those platforms. You experience slippage and the leverage, which leads me to your second question. In many forex platforms is up to 500 times, right? So therefore, 150 times is still considered relatively conservative compared to what, for example, forex platforms has to offer. With again, much much more problematic registration and trading, and much more technically difficult, and also with a lot of slippage, front running, and trading against the client that they do, which we don't do here. I hope this answered your question.
Yes, it does. Thank you very much. Thank you, Emperor.
My pleasure.
Thank you for your question. And I want to say this as a reminder to everyone listening to this AMA before Ted speaks. Ted, you'll be next. Please, guys, they are on Telegram and Discord and Twitter as well. Do well to join them on all the social networks. So, Ted, it's over to you now. You can unmute your mic and ask your question. Hello, Ted. Are you there? If you are not there, we have to move on to someone else. Okay, if it's not there, let's give it to David. David, please unmute your device and ask your question.
Hello, can I ask my question, sir?
Please go ahead.
Okay, so my question is regulation is very important. Many projects are closed in many countries due to failure to use the correct regulation and permit. So, in order to go globally, how does your team deal with this issue?
That's a good question. Well, let me give you a recent example. For example, the so-called infallible FTX that up to the very last moment was saying, all right, everything is fine with us because we are regulated in so many countries, right? So, while regulation is important for the governments, unfortunately does not provide protection, as we saw, unfortunately, with FTX, to the users. Therefore, while we are doing our best to comply with government regulations, and we're currently applying and already in a process of multiple countries, I wouldn't count, and I wouldn't be, confident with the project just because it's regulated. There's much more to it about your fund security that I already mentioned a little bit earlier. But just directly to get back to your question, yes, we are, in order to enable more users to participate, which may be restricted due to regulations, we are complying with these features in multiple countries. As of now, we have a few and much more are coming.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Thank you for your question.
Thank you for your question, David. And next, now let's give it to Young Boy. Young Boy, I have your device unmuted. You can ask your question. And if Young Boy is not available, we give it to 137. Okay, let's give it to 137 then. 137, you can unmute your device.
Hello, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much for giving me opportunity. So my question is, WFX is your native token, right?
That's right.
Okay, so my question is, can you tell us some of the remarkable ways to earn more WFX in your platform? What are the benefits of buying your token, especially now that we are in bear market? What are the advantages of holding FWX token for a long time?
Yeah, great. Well, actually, I did go over this part, but let me again summarize it quickly because you're right, that's very important. All right. So our native token provides you with a number of features that benefit, and part of those are, of course, earnings. So this part, how do you make money? By staking. All right. So if you stake it, you will earn more tokens. And also fee discounts. If you trade and own native tokens, you will get fee discounts. On top of that, you will have access to premium features on our platform, such as better analytics, priority access to new product launches, exclusive trading tools, etc., that may help you be more profitable with your trades. And on top of that, we have ecosystem participation. So when we have initial liquidity offerings or exclusive airdrops, the native tokens holders are prioritized and they get to benefit most. So therefore, those are the main features. And of course, the governance, as in DAO, you get the right to decide the outcome and the future roadmap of FollowX through your vote, depending on how many tokens you hold.
Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate your answer. But if you guys don't mind, I ask one more question. Can I ask?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much. So my question is, what strategy will you implement it to bring non-crypto natives in your ecosystem? How do you keep a balance between developing the technology and also improving the value of your token?
So, if I understand your question correctly, your question is how do we balance between maintaining our token and also developing our technology? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, well, these actually are quite connected and they go hand by hand, right? So on one side, we want to offer the best trading features and the best liquidity and technology and user interface to even users that are not holding a native token. On the other hand, the holders, as I already mentioned, have access to much more premium features even on top of the already great ones that we have. So this by actually developing our technology and making sure that we have the sufficient liquidity, the best trading tools, the most advanced analytics, product offerings, as well as partners with liquidity offerings, we make sure that both are going hand by hand. So therefore, as our platform's real value in terms of all these features increases, inevitably, the native token demand will surge as well.
Okay, thank you so much for your great answer. I really appreciate that answer. Best of luck your project. Thank you so much.
Sure, my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you for your question. And next is Kati now. Kati, you can unmute your device and ask your question.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so actually I'm going through your website and I saw that compounding power mining mode. So can you please explain what is compounding power mining mode?
Well, for that, if you want like real much details, I would suggest you refer to our technical team because I'm in the marketing. But what I can tell you from my experience, because I'm not just a marketer and a trader, is that compounding usually means that whatever you have mined, you can reinvest in more mining, and then the rewards start to multiply gradually. All right, that's usually what compounding means.
Okay, thank you.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you. And lastly, now let's give it to Modok. Modok, you're next. You can ask your question.
Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. What is your plan in the near future? Do you have any strategy to attract a new investor to your platform and keep them long time?
I'm sorry, I couldn't get the last sentence. Could you repeat, please?
Yeah. What is your plan in the near future? And do you have any strategy to attract a new investor to your platform and keep them long time?
To add any what to our platform?
No,
I'm sorry.
I think his question was, what strategy are you also keeping to attract new investors to the platform and keep them long term? Was that your question, Modok?
Yeah. That's right.
All right. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Morten, for the question. So let me start with a few things. If you've visited our website, you can see that we have quite the extensive roadmap, right? And we are actually not just planning this, we're executing this. We're quite well ahead in this roadmap. And there are many exciting features that are coming to our users. All right, including our own decentralized exchange, as I discussed in detail, and many other things. So I would really recommend you guys to, the link is in the tweet about this space, to visit our website and check this out. In terms of how we're planning to attract new users, so few of the things are already there, right? Well, we have a lot of marketing campaigns planned, and of course, a lot of events, online and offline. The main part that we hope to achieve is basically users' return and users' referrals, and this we can only achieve through quality of our platform and services. So all these things that I mentioned, that we provide the best liquidity, that we provide the best execution, industry top trading tools, analytics, and of course the native token benefits. All of these go together, and through these we are aiming to have the users themselves act as our ambassadors and promote our brand. And this is the most powerful and long-lasting kind of tool and channel for user growth.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you for your question, Modok. And I still want to encourage and remind everyone listening to this AMA, please do well to follow them on Twitter, join them on Discord, and also join them on Telegram. They are there every time to answer your questions in case you were not having the chance to ask your question. Now it's time for us to wrap up the AMA now. Could you please give us some closing words, Samuel?
Yeah, well, again, I want to thank you, Martin. I want to thank Wise Crypto, and of course all of the followers and other participants that were here today. Um, if you, as Martin mentioned, if you haven't had a chance to have your question answered, please hit us on social media. As I already mentioned, we have top-notch customer service that will make sure that you have your answer and your questions are addressed properly. Also, please do follow us. Do follow us. We have many other events and activities coming, and active followers will get some surprising rewards and benefits. And with that, I just want to close and say that with FollowX, we're trying to make trading seamless, easy, uh, easy to start, and much more efficient and informed to execute, and therefore have the users and traders new or experienced to have much better results than what they're used to in current centralized or decentralized platforms. Thank you very much, and I hope I'll have the chance to talk to you again and hear from you again in the future.
Yes, we hope to see you come into Wise Crypto again sometime in the future, maybe this time on Telegram, who knows? Just to come give us more
Looking
updates
forward.
when there is more to tell about FollowX. We wish you all the very best, and we hope to see you again sometime in the future, like you've said. So, guys, as a reminder again, please do well to join them on Discord, follow them on Twitter, and also join them on Telegram. You can ask your questions or queries there, and they will be sure to answer them. So, thank you to everyone who joined, and kindly extend our warm regards to all members of your team. And this will be the end of the AMA. Thanks to everyone who joined, and bye bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you, Martin. Bye.